back to Dancer Diaries, and today I have a fun video for us and one that's going to help a lot of you, and that is looking after our feet. I went to a really great workshop for group fitness instructors the other day that was talking all about our feet, and I know for belly dancing class a lot of my students have issues with their feet. They might get sore knees when they dance, or they feel they have to wear shoes when they dance, and these exercises can really help. Also, if you're performing a lot, you're wearing high heels a lot, you're dancing on concrete floors, you can get sore feet after that too. So again, these exercises will really help. So all you will need is a ball. If you don't have a massage ball, a tennis ball is good too, or even a golf ball, depending on how tight you are as to how solid you want the ball to be. So first of all, we're bringing the ball down, bringing our foot onto the ball, so standing up, and then starting with the ball on the ball of our foot. So we're starting on the outside and then we're rolling all the way through from one side to the other. So from the front you can see I'm rolling over. I'm keeping my heel on the floor as well so that I can keep my balance. I'm rolling over a few times and then I'm coming down. So when I come down, I'm coming just underneath the ball of the foot now. So not in the arch yet, just underneath, or just higher up towards the ball, and then side to side. And again, you can change the pressure that you need on your foot by changing how much weight you put on your foot. So if it's too intense, you can step back, bring more weight into this leg as well. Okay, next one is bringing it right into the arch of the foot. We're still keeping the heel on the floor for our balance. And again, bringing it side to side. So from here you can see bringing it side to side. And our final one is on our heel. So this time we have the ball on our heel, our feet on the floor, and we're bringing it side to side. So these exercises are really good because they'll loosen the muscles in your feet and give you more mobility through those feet joints. What I've been told is that when you are performing or dancing or doing any exercise, if your muscles aren't switched on, then it's the plantar fascia that comes all the way through the foot that is taking the load, and that's when you can get a lot of pain. You can feel it through your Achilles as well. So rolling out like this can really help. What can also help is exercises to switch on those muscles that you're not normally working. So when I first tried these exercises, I couldn't do them at all, which proved that I wasn't using the muscles at all. So the exercise is very simple, starting with your feet hip width apart, trying to lift up just the big toes. So keeping the smaller toes on the floor, just lifting the big toes. It's hard, you might have to hold onto your feet to do it at the start. Next one is lifting the little toes while keeping the big toes down. So again, pretty difficult. It's working the mind as well as your feet with this one, especially if you haven't done it for ages. So when I first tried these two exercises, I could only lift the big toe on this foot. I couldn't do any of the others. I'm getting better now. The next one is to just lift through the arch of your foot. So keep your toes on the floor, keep your heel on the floor, and just a little lift up through the arch. So you'll just feel it, small movement working through your arch. And then the final exercises is our calf raises. So keeping your feet parallel again, coming up, trying to keep your ankles nice and straight. So you can see for me already that's hard. Coming up and keeping your big toe on the floor. Ooh, I thought my ankles are stronger than they are today. Yeah, so if you do have poor feet or you find you have feet pain, especially when you're dancing, try these exercises. I've been trying them for a week, just over a week now, and I'm noticing that they're getting easier for me to do. For me, I don't usually have feet pain or Achilles pain unless I'm exercising in old shoes. If I'm dancing in old or exercising in old shoes, or I'm dancing in really high heels, that's when I will mainly feel it personally. But that's easy because I just know that I need to get new shoes when that happens. But doing these exercises will help you if you're suffering from those things. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any issues with your feet and how you fix them with belly dancing. I'd really love to hear from you because I know a lot of my students have these issues. So if you've been able to cure them for you, please make sure you share your knowledge with all of us. Thanks very much for watching and happy dancing.